booked our waterfall hiking tour through TripAdvisor by Tumblestone Tours. It was amazing, and our guide, Keith, was so knowledgeable. Our first stop up the Blue Ridge Parkway was amazing. It was just a pull off where we could take in the view, but we had no idea what was in store until we hit the Pisgah Inn. The view from here was amazing. I highly suggest you stop at the Pisgah Inn and take in the overlook view. Next, we hiked to our first waterfall, Looking Glass. It was amazing. Even though our tour was semi-private, we only had one other couple with us. There are other tours going around, so you may see other people. But I'll tell you, the view made that all disappear.
Absolutely amazing. We're not going to talk that much on our hike for these tours, but we definitely wanted to show you. This is our first waterfall stop. We are on a hike waterfall tour here in Asheville, a private tour. And so we booked this private tour through TripAdvisor. We'll give you more information, but I'm going to just take a moment to enjoy this. Again, I don't want to vlog too much because I want to enjoy it with my eyes. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Fun fact, this forest that we're in was used for filming Hunger Games, so pretty cool.
And it was the perfect ending to our waterfall hike with Keith. The view was breathtaking, the sounds were amazing, and we could just stop, sit on a rock, put our feet in the water, and think about nothing. Let go, relax, take in the views, and enjoy the many memories we just made. We arrived back at the inn in time to grab a quick lunch and a glass of rosé before heading off to our next adventure, a sensory hike. This is where we learned about forest bathing. We learned so much to quiet our minds, how to get back in touch with nature, and that nature can be healing, even the snakes. Our guide, Sarah, then took us up to the most beautiful location under the most beautiful tree for private meditation. What a great ending to our day. We would like to give a big thank you to Keith and Sarah for making our day so special. We hope this video made you smile as much as this day made us smile. And with that, we're gonna sign off, and we will see you for our biking yoga adventure next time.